So crypto.com has just come out with a pretty ambitious roadmap, and we're going to take a look at that roadmap and see what it is that they are looking to do into 2025. So let's hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, or follow me on X or wherever you're watching this. And let's get into it. We're going to take a look at the roadmap, and we're going to also take a look at the Cronos price over the last week. It's been up tremendously, as we can see here. So we're up to about 11 cents, up 52% in the last 7 days. We can see the amount of volume coming in on this thing is absolutely astronomical, up 424%. Today's volume is at 186 million over the last 24 hours, and that is a lot for the Cronos token. So let's jump over. We're going to take a look at this article. It's just basically going to outline a little bit of what this roadmap entails to accomplish, and then we're going to take a look at the actual roadmap itself. Crypto.com has big plans for 2025. Like I mentioned, credit card and stock services are going to be among some of the features. They announced the 2025 roadmap after a year of dominating the North American trading and surpassing Coinbase. Payment and trading and investment hub, it will tap into some of the available DeFi functionalities, but it's also expected to extend its services to fiat banking, stocks, and crypto card issuance. Rewards on Bitcoin is something that's going to happen as well, margined derivatives, and a new set of Cronos AI dev tools. It's also announced this Level Up reward initiative. The Level Up, it will reward users of the brand's existing and upcoming products, including on deposits and savings accounts. Users will be able to receive bonuses on deposits and transfers up to 7.5% annualized on idle cash balances for the first year, and up to 8% rewards on crypto.com card spending. This is going to include lifestyle benefits, including support and services from partners. So Chris is the company's CEO, and he presented the 2025 roadmap as a community effort and outreach. The project aims for a transformative year in 2025. So he's really excited. I actually had a look at this roadmap actually is over here. We're going to take a look. This is the crypto.com site. I'm in Canada. So a lot of this, some of the, well, actually not a lot of it, but some of this is based on your location, right? I'm in Canada, so we're not going to be able to have the fiat banking and such right away. Hopefully that's something that can come. I don't know. I'm assuming that that has to do with regulations and such, because Canada is a little bit more fussy on that. But the roadmap, let's see what they are adding. So this is Q4 2024. So this is where we're at now, okay? Q4 2025. So this is all into 2025 right here, okay? So I'm just gonna make sure that you guys can see that. Yeah, you can see that just fine. Let's see here. All right. So Q4. All right. So Level Up launch. So they're basically coming out with, their Level Up. They're going to increase, rewards and things like that. We also have Cortex AI coming out Q3 of next year. So Q4, so this is now web app. So they have their web app, Cronos AI dev tools. That's really interesting. So that's going to actually, increase tools for developers and kind of, incentivize them to use their network. Then we also have exchange expansion coming. That is US and the world. Fiat on and off ramp expansions. So that is a number of different countries. Rewards on Bitcoin is going to be basically worldwide. Crypto rewards maximizer. We also have institutional custody. Crypto.com is coming out with a stable coin. AI powered trade tooling. Cronos One. Margined derivatives. Cronos ETF submission. That's interesting. Singularity API. And then we have on the stock side of things, stock ETF trading, stock options, FTX commodities, and index derivatives. I'm going to actually put a link to this in the description of the video as well if you guys want to take a look at it, because there's a lot here to unpack, and a lot of different places might not be, they might not be offering some of these services in some places. But stock and ETF trading I see is going to be in Canada, which is nice. I'm excited for that. Banking. So this is what I'd really like to have, but Canada's not in there. Personal multi-currency accounts and yield on cash, 1 second, 1 second, 1 cent global transfers, crazy, international bank accounts, business accounts. So these are all things that they're working towards. And like I said, the further you get down this list, it's going to be like later in next year. So cards, Latin America, Middle East, and Africa debit card expansion, credit cards as well in the US, Prime card, and 10% travel rebates. So this is their roadmap. I'm going to make sure that you guys have a link to this in the next, or sorry, in the description. And I'm going to also share with you something else that Chris had come out with today. Like I mentioned, Chris is the CEO. Crypto.com fully supports Elon's fight for a right to free speech and will pay for your blue check mark. So if you can pay for it with your Crypto.com card, they will reimburse you. Existing app users and cardholders will get 1 month reimbursed. I kind of don't like that. I kind of wish that they would reward people who've been here, throughout the bear market. I've had my Crow locked up for almost 3 years now. I should be, I don't know. I really feel like I hate that. I hate that when cell phone companies do that. So Chris, I don't like that. I'm sure you're not watching my video, but still, it's not something I like. But I do like the roadmap. I do like the transformation and the new services and features that they're adding. I think this is going to be really great for the Crow price as well. So really down the road, I mean, I'll deal with it. I don't like that. Usually when cell phone companies do that, I'll call them like threaten to cancel and then they'll give me better deals or something like that. But existing app users and cardholders will get 1 month reimbursed. I guess it's better than nothing. New app users get a whole year reimbursed. That's why I say that's not really fair. But let's see how many blue checks we can get by next week. I do like this initiative. I do like that he is promoting X because, X is really a valuable platform, especially for people in crypto or people that want unbiased news. So I think that that's really good. Reimbursement will be made within 7 days. And yeah, so, if you don't have X and you want to grab a crypto.com card, it's very quick to do so. Just log onto the app or wherever and apply for it. I believe they actually give you one, they give you a number right away, so you're able to use it, and then your card kind of arrives in the mail, so to speak, down the road. But that's pretty much what I got for you guys in this video. This has been a massive update for crypto.com and the Cronos token. I think that this is going to be something to watch. These guys are really building it out. And I mean, they already have the name, right? I mean, how much bigger can you get than having crypto.com name? Like, I think these guys are going to be a heck of a lot bigger than we think they are. And I think really the time is coming for them to jump in there and make sure their regulatory stuff is sorted, which is what they are doing. They're very regulatory compliant, and so that makes me happy. So as a Crow holder, really excited, and thanks so much for tuning into this video. I know it's a little bit longer one, but like I said, I'll give you guys the roadmap down below to take a look at it, because you should always verify things for yourself. And like I said, the Cronos card, I use the Crow card constantly. I actually have a number of my subscriptions come off my Crow card because I still do get rewards, right? I get Crow cash back on a lot of my purchases, and so that's what I do. I'll put a link in the description down below for you as well if you want to check out the app, and maybe I think there's I think you can get like $10 free in Bitcoin or something like that if you use it. So I'll do that as well for you guys. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.